You're welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the discussion tab or the chat space in the virtual classroom. First of all, we have to navigate to the virtual classroom from our dashboard. As you can see, I'm already logged on to student dashboard. To navigate to the virtual classroom, I'm going to click on this eClass icon and then click on the subject space I want to navigate to. In this subject space, I'm then going to switch over to the discussion tab. In this discussion tab, I can already see conversations that is already going on. I can go ahead to type a message here. And once I'm done typing a message, I can go ahead and send the message by clicking this send icon here or by pressing enter on the keyboard. Once I have sent a message, I can also do a couple of things on the already sent message. To take an action on this message that I sent, I can go on ahead to click on this drop down. Once I click on it, I see three icons. One is to delete the message, two is to edit the message, and then the third one is to quote or reply to the message. If I want to delete the message, I'll click on this. If I want to edit the message, I'll click on this. And once I click on it, you see that the message comes back into this input box. And then I can edit the message. And once I'm done, I can go ahead to update the message. And then you can see that the message is updated. If I want to quote this message or to reply directly to this message, I will then click this. And then you can see I can then send a response or a response to this message by typing my response and then click send. If I want to discontinue, I can easily click this X icon at the right side here to discontinue the reply or the response to that message. So also any other message sent by any other person here, I can also quote or reply directly to that message by simply clicking the drop down icon and then click on this reply icon. That's how to type and simply send a message, edit a message, and quote or reply to a message. With the plus icon here, we can do more than sending texts in the message box. If permitted, you can also send a photo. You can also send a video or embed a video. You can also send a document. But then all of these may not be enabled at all times. Depending on your school's security settings, the embedding of photo, video, and documents may not be enabled. Therefore, the only thing you may see if these ones sharing media is not enabled is simply the assignment and classwork submission. So let's take a look at that. When we click on the assignment/classwork submissions, it's going to bring us to a special tab in the eClass space where we are going to see all of our classworks and assignments according to date range, regardless of which subject they are coming from. Okay, so and another way to navigate to this page is coming over to the eClass space and then scrolling to the top. The very first item here is all classworks and assignments. If there are other assignments from across all other subjects, they are all going to show themselves here. And then it's also filterable according to date. Thank you so much for sticking with me to this point. I will see you on the next video.